Manoj Palwe. I am an immigration consultant for Canada and Australia. I am a member of ICCRC. Lot many of my clients are interested in knowing childbirth, pregnancy and effect of that thing on the migration process. Now, most of the clients who are planning to migrate, they are in the age group of say 25 to 35. So, childbirth or planning a family is always an integral part of their life. And they are worried what will be the effect of this childbirth on the migration process. Now please note that medical is absolutely essential for the migration process. Let's consider you have started your migration process and you are pregnant and you have got the invitation to apply also. When you get an invitation to apply, you have to immediately do the medicals and submit the medical reports to the Canadian authorities. Now, when you are pregnant and particularly doing this X-ray, there are certain apprehensions that whether to do the medicals when you are pregnant. So many of my clients, they go for some protective measures, like there is some kind of a lid shields which you can put on your stomach and you can do your medicals. But some are very conservative. They don't want to do that thing. In that case, we can submit the medical report of all other tests apart from X-ray to the Canadian authorities and tell them that this is the problem and that's why we will not be completing the medicals. The Canadian authorities are always very, very considerate. They will be giving you additional time to submit the remaining medicals after the childbirth. Now, as and when the child is born, please complete the other formalities like child's passport also and the remaining part of the medicals also, child's birth certificate also, and submit that thing. While doing this thing, please remember that you should have one eye on your proof of funds, because in proof of fund criteria, for every addition in family, you have to show additional funds. So if you have done all these things but you have just forgot to show additional funds for because of your child, your visa case may be sent back to you. Please remember about that thing. Another question which is quite frequently asked, that what that child is born in Canada. Okay? Now supposing you are a PR, you got a PR and you go to Canada and you give birth to the child in Canada. In that case, the child will be the citizen the moment the child is born in Canada. Okay? Another question. Now supposing somebody is pregnant, somebody has got the PR visa, but still because of so many issues, the family decided to give birth in India to that child. In that case, now when the husband and wife both are PR holders, but they give the child, but when the childbirth happens in India, the child will not be getting Canadian citizenship, or the child will not be getting a PR visa also. You have to apply. You have to apply for a PR visa for the child. That is a fast process. You have to complete the formalities, you have to submit all these documents, and you'll be getting visa for your child also. So please consider all these scenarios. Please remember that Canadian immigration process is having a human face. These are things happens in this age group. So there are plenty of measures to safeguard your interest. Don't worry, even you are having family related issues, you can always start the process. We are always there to help you for whichever is the scenario we'll be having. Thank you for listening.